Hello and welcome to Collaboration Coach. It's Matt and I'm going to give you some tips to use with Outlook to save you time and make you more productive. The 3 tips I've got for you today are turning off notifications with Outlook, so stop those distractions that make you less productive. Automatically answering email with a CC rule. So answering CC messages takes up time, so these tips will help you create an automatic reply to messages when you're on the CC line. And finally, take action with quick steps. Save time by automating the things that you do regularly. All right, here we go. Tip 1, turning off alerts in Outlook. One of the key things to being productive is to avoid distractions. One huge distraction we all face are notifications. Whether it's on your phone or social media, notifications are everywhere. So if you plan your day so you choose when to read your email, you don't need to be notified when email arrives. This tip shows you how to switch them off in Outlook. To do that, go to the File menu and choose Options. Then choose Mail and then go to the Mail Arrival section. Then uncheck Play a Sound, Show an Envelope icon and display a desktop alert, and then click OK. Now you can work in peace without any distracting notifications from Outlook. So tip 2, answer email automatically with the CC rule. Reading and answering messages where you're on the CC line takes up your time and probably is not that important. So in this tip, I'm going to show you how to create an inbox rule that politely replies to the sender and moves the email out of your inbox and into a separate folder. First of all, let's create the new folder where the CC emails will be moved to. Select your mailbox and right-click it and then choose New Folder. And I'm just going to call it CC Mail. And there we go. Now I'm going to make the rule that will send a reply and move the email. To do that, you just go to the Home tab and expand it if you have to, so you can see the rules drop down here, and then choose Manage Rules and Alerts. Then you choose New Rule and come down to this Start from a Blank Rule section and choose Apply Rule on Messages I Receive, and then choose Next. Now from here, you want to choose where my name is in the CC box. And then you choose Next. On the next page, you want to choose from step 1, move it to a specified folder. And then down here, you want to choose have the server reply using a specific message. Now in step 2, you need to make some further configuration. So you choose the specific message link here. And when you press that, it's going to open up a new message. And this is the message that is going to be sent to the person who sent you the email in the first place. You just need to give it a subject. I'm just going to call this automatic CC reply. So I'm going to put some example text in here, which describes why I've sent the reply in the first place. So once you're done, you're happy with your email, you just choose Send and Close, which takes you back to the wizard. The next step is to choose the specified folder. So from step 2, you choose the specified link. And now you're going to choose the CC Mail folder that you created earlier. Click OK, and now that configuration is finished. So now I can choose the Finish button and then OK, and then any new email that comes in will send a reply to the sender and automatically move the email to the CC Mail folder, and I won't be bothered with unimportant email. So tip 3 is to take action with quick steps. Quick steps are like workflow for email. When an email comes in, you can action it with a quick step. A quick step can be one or many steps to speed up the process of responding to that message. So for example, you could have a quick step that creates a meeting with a specific team with one press of a button. In this example, I'm going to show you how to create a new meeting with the sales and marketing team from an email using a quick step. All I need to do is go to the Home tab, choose the Quick Steps drop-down from the ribbon, and then choose New Meeting. Then I'm going to change the name to add sales and marketing on the end here. So next to the To box, I'm going to type sales and marketing, and you can see it makes suggestions to me based on what I type. And then I choose Finish. So once that's done, whenever an email comes in that I want to schedule a meeting to discuss, I just choose the quick step. It will create the meeting and address it automatically to the sales and marketing team. And then I can choose the time and date and send it. So that's it. That's our tips to use with Outlook to save you time and make you more productive. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.